Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically change your IP address while you're surfing the web on Kali Linux. So let's get right into it. First thing I'm going to do is open my terminal. I'm going to make the screen size a little bit bigger. And I'm going to be starting by actually updating and upgrading my system. Okay. So I want to install Tor. So after we installed Tor, we want to make sure it's running. So I'm going to do status Tor, and we see that it is not active. So what we're going to do is start the service. And then we're going to do status once more. And we see that now it is active, and it's been active for about 3 seconds. Just going to clear my screen real quick. We also want to install Python 3 package. So I have it, and you probably have it too. What I want to do now is do a pip install, and we're installing TorNet. So it didn't go through. So we're going to run it with this flag down here. So I'm going to pull that up once more, and I'm just going to paste that. Okay, and that did go through. I think it went through. We're going to check if it went through by just seeing if we have TorNet with its version. So yeah, it did go through some of the commands of it. Okay, so I'm going to do sudo tornet interval. And this is in time in seconds. So 60 seconds, which equates to a minute. We can do 120 for 2 minutes. And so on and so forth. I think you can even do as low as 15 or 10 or 5 or 1, however frequent you want to change your IP. For the sake of this example, I'll do 15 seconds, and then I'm going to also add the count. Now count, as you can see here, it says number of times to change the IP. If it's set to 0, it'll be indefinite, so it'll just continue to loop this process, and I kind of do want to have that. One last change you want to make is to open whatever web browser you're going to be using. You want to be going into your settings. From here, you want to find your network settings, and you want to configure manual proxy. You want to put your loopback address, which is the 127.0.0.1 with 9040 as your port, and of course you want to keep it on SOCKS 5. I already had this configuration made. You want to hit OK. You want to close out, close out. Now let's run this. And I'm going to open up my browser once more. And you can see that it is changing. So we got that 192.42.116.195, which is wired over here. And there you go. That's how you can use TorNet on Kali Linux to change your IP address as frequently as you want.